Ladies and gentlemen, Fraser Coombs here, Ray White Hamilton Property Management. From all of the team, we just really hope that you had a great festive season, enjoyed celebrating with loved ones and are charged up for a great 2020. I know the team here at Ray White certainly are, so let's kick into actually what's happening in the market. Much of a continuation actually of 2019. Stock is really tight, the rental stock, so we're seeing pressure on prices. Investors actually coming back into the market. New Year's resolutions, maybe it is to purchase another property, but we're certainly noticing the investor activity out there through the sales team as well. A couple of big changes happening for us. We had Andrea Watson depart in December, and we welcome Jacinda Young to the property management team, and Cameron Glenn has come in and joined our team to manage and really take care of the majority of the Te Awamutu and Cambridge stock that we manage. So a huge warm welcome to them. We welcome back Cameron Glenn actually back to Ray White Hamilton. Both Cameron and Jacinda have combined well over 10 years experience, so great property managers. Moving forward into the year, you may see a bit of a different form of statement or property inspection coming through. We've just changed provider, moved to a cloud-based provider, Console Cloud. So you may see a bit of a different format. The quality of the photos has thankfully improved coming through with the inspections as well. Other changes, of course, the big one for this year is the Healthy Homes deadlines. We've got the 1st of July 2020 looming. From that date, just remember, that's the date where any new signed tenancy agreement does require a Healthy Homes statement, and it needs to basically spell out the way that your property complies with the statements, with the Healthy Homes agenda. Doesn't necessarily have to meet all 5 of the agendas yet, but you do need to tell the tenants where you're sitting. So for example, if your property doesn't quite comply with the ventilation standard, well then you're letting them know that you're aware of that, and then you have until 2024 to achieve and meet that standard. Also, just a friendly reminder that property managers are pretty busy at the moment sending out Healthy Homes statement requests out to contractors. We did send out a blanket email late last year just informing you all that we do actually need this information to make sure that you comply and so that we comply with the Healthy Homes statement of intent. And in order to put that into a new tenancy agreement, we actually do require the Healthy Homes assessment from a professional. If you don't want that to happen, please contact us quite quickly. Phone your property manager or email in. There may be the opportunity for you to fill out your own Healthy Homes assessment, but at the moment we need to get that info in as quickly as possible. Also, further updates, Ray White information guides and Ray White landlord guides have just been redone. Plenty of great content in there, including claimable expenses. It's well worth considering with the Healthy Homes expenses that are coming up. What can you claim? What is claimable in this financial year? All good content. Also proud to announce the Ray White New Zealand stats have just come through for 2019. So out of 178 offices across the country, Ray White Hamilton, your team, placed first for the number of lets, first for the size of the portfolio, largest portfolio across the Ray White Group, and second for gross managements into the company. So thank you very much for being our client in 2019, and we're looking forward to a great journey with you in 2020. A little bit of a snapshot about the update with the Hamilton market, the residential market. Big pressure actually at the moment, very similar to the rental market. Supply and demand is the issue. So it really is a vendor's market or a seller's market at the moment. Multiple offers, multiple bids at auction. So great activity out there. We are, like at the start of the video I mentioned, seeing a heightened interest in investors getting back into the market. If you think about it, where else can you put your money to get a 4.5% up to a 6-7% return? We know that the bank's not doing it, and if you're a little bit risk averse, you don't want your money in the share market, well then property is still a great bet. So with all that said and done, that's your market update. January 2020, Ray White Hamilton Property Management here. Looking forward to working with you for another year. Thanks for your business and have a great and prosperous year.